I'm Pete Knigge. We have a family dairy farm here, along with myself is my wife Theo, who primarily takes care of the calves and cleans up the robot rooms here. Also, our son Charlie is in partnership with us, and his son Jacob is 8 years old.
Last spring we installed the new robots, and Lely brought it out for an open house we had, and it was a new tool they had to help lessen labor on the farm. The feed push up more often to the cows. Prior to that, we do it with a skid loader, push up feed a couple times a day, and but then always first thing in the morning we push it up to feed again because the cows would be out of feed. And now the Juno runs through probably 4 or 5 times during the night also to keep the feed pushed up to the cows. So it's just one less chore we have to do.
Year 2000, we built this new barn and put the first 2 Lely robots in the United States in that barn. The robots fit our needs very well, and we've been satisfied with the size we have. We have 2 robots and have capacity for milking 120 cows approximately. We're very pleased with the performance of the new Lely A3 Next units. Their performance has outpaced our expectations. You can go to family events or sporting events or things like that and be much more flexible.
It's pretty simple. It's got its docking station it drives into. There's a couple metal strips on the floor just to drive it into the docking station and to know the endpoints of the run. And just the benefit of having more feed in front of the cows is just one less chore that we have to worry about or have to take care of on the farm. Yeah. By keeping the feed pushed up to the cows, and I can see the benefit during the summer that you're constantly moving the feed in, keeping the feed fresher for the cows. Plus the feed's getting pushed up more often, which is no secret. You keep more feed in front of the cows, the more they produce milk. So it's been a beneficial tool for us.